up to a winter wonderland in New York City today, and I decided, you know what? I'm tired of the cold. It is time for me to escape again. This crew neck was overpriced just like everything else in this state. If you're one of those 5% of people still drinking water from the faucet, I highly recommend you get a Brita filter. Like literally, I feel like such a fancy adult with my Brita. Like look at me pouring water from my Brita filter. This is the best scent ever. And now we pack. First things first, I gotta pack my lubes because I plan to wear them for my birthday. Up next we have my makeup bag, which I'm probably not gonna use at all because I don't wear makeup. I gotta pack my journal so I can write about all the ways people annoy me. And most importantly, I gotta pack my fart spray because you know, you never know when you'll need fart spray. And we're off. Airport is fairly empty, just how I like it. New York, I love you too, but I gotta go. Because of the bad weather, the plane had to be power washed to get all the ice and snow off before we could take off, so we literally sat on the platform for maybe like an hour before taking off. I was so over it at this point. Alright guys, bye for now. As always, thanks for tuning in, and comment down below if you can guess where I'm going. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!